Oh, there you go.
Yes!
Got him. Told you. Right here.
You're almost halfway up.
Yeah. Shaking a lot. It might be another bonita. Oh, it's a little dolphin.
Little dolphin.
Whole school. Look at that coota's on my dolphin.
No, no, no. Fucking no. That's
It's a rainbow runner.
Oh, God.
It's a rainbow runner.
No, get your rig back.
I'm trying it.
Don't lose that shit, dude.
That cuda just fucking, look at.
You want that for bait?
Hell yeah. Fucking let us one of the skipjacks, dude.
Look at the school cudas.
It's a rainbow runner.
Yeah, whatever you call them. Here, hang them over there, dude. I'll get that cuda for you. What? Over there, boy. They're on the shit right now, dude.
Ooh, shit, this is the man.
Don't lose them.
Yes, sir.
Get that cuda.
I think they didn't even touch the bottom. I caught him about an inch off the bottom.
That was a good spot I just went over, too.
Very cool. It looks like it.
Got himself a jack, man. Give up for the cudas, get here. Small jack.
Hey, that's small.
Oh, cuda. Oh.
I got it. Yeah. Oh shit. At least we got the cuda. I lost my rig, but we got the cuda.
Oh man, you lost the fucking rig.
Holy shit.
What did you have?
I had a decent sized amberjack. I had about a 20-pound amberjack. Sorry, man. You're gonna be sharp bait.